We are here in Boracay, year 2, part 2 here in Boracay. So you can see guys, pangalawang punta na namin dito. Station 1 naman, napakalayo at bibili yan. Pero napakapili na. Nag-high tide kasi. Mag-diving. Pendong piece. Pendong piece. Pendong piece. Pendong piece. Yeah, what a sound! The lead. The island. Alright, and the king of the pirates. That's right. It's like this. Pirates of all time. No one can defeat me. Be a great pirate. We conquer the ocean and find One Piece. Aha. Island. Let's go! Nandito ang mga pirata. Nandito naman. Napakaganda, napakaangas ang baby niya. Nag-iisang isla. Dito ay yung Wano. Ito yung Wano. This is the one part. Okay. Oh, meron pa tayo doon. Marami pa doon. Doon naman ang Egghead Island. Then doon naman ang Pang Hazard. At hinahanap namin nasaan ang last tail. Because we are great pirates. Then we see a treasure in this good island. You pirate, and we'll see some treasure. I think there's a treasure. We go down. It's so see, we are in the up high. that we are the great pirates. There's so many islands. We are on the top of the world. I watch only. Go jump. They gonna jump there. Jump, jump, jump. Ah, okay. We are so up high. Okay, let's see, let's see. We will see. Jump, jump. You can jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump. Whoa! Come on, jump, 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 jump. We are in the top of the jump. Jump, try, Sam. You're a little fella.
Oh, 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 oh. Go. Kabahan yan. Taas ng tubig. Sa yun to, yun to. Ayan.
Ano nang gamit? Maganda dyan. Try mo. Very good. Guys, ano na? Puro trabaho na lang ba? Bakasyon din kayo pag may oras. Yeah! 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 Nandiyan na ang mga bata, ang malaking isniyan. Nandiyan na rin si Ella. Mukha na siyang bulldog. Yeah! Yes! Part 2 here in Boracay. Aben, my friend, come here. That's our house. Wow, there's a parasailing. Wow, surf sailing. I don't know what to call this. But we are here. Another year in Boracay. See? At my back. Yeah, nandito kami sa jet ski land. Bye-bye. Let's go. Tanana. Ayan. Safe lang! Woohoo!